Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have several different job leads in today's video that are all non-phone, not customer service, and not talking on the phone, doing call center type work. I know a lot of you are looking for these non-phone based jobs. I even have one that is hiring worldwide. So we are going to dive all into it. I always just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them. The goal of this channel is just to help everybody find that perfect work from home job just for them. But diving all in, first up we have MLB, the Major League Baseball. They have 780 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a seasonal photo editor. So if you're someone who knows how to do photo manipulation, like in Photoshop or things like that, this one might be perfect for you. They're actually looking for somebody to search out, source, select, and publish photos to their MLB and their club websites. You'll manage requests that come in from the clubs on nights and weekends and do real-time photo editing and then design captions for the photos of game coverage by your deadlines, getting them posted up on the website. So you're basically going to be editing and captioning, cropping, toning images, things like that. They're looking for somebody who is just a detail-oriented person. You've got knowledge of Photoshop or Photo Mechanic or Photo Shelter, one of those photo editing softwares, someone who can caption in AP style, someone who's familiar with like Getty Images, different services like that. You've got to have great time management skills, but pay for this position's anywhere from $23 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. Moving right along, though, we have United Health Group. Now, I haven't shared United Health Group in a while because their jobs often go very fast. So if you're interested in this one, get that application in very quickly. They do have 16,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a provider data specialist. It does say remote considered right here, and then down here it says you can telecommute anywhere within the United States. So this one is going to be for the United States only. Now, this is going to be great for those of you who don't have a computer to work from. United Healthcare is known for providing all the computer equipment you need to do the job, as well as oftentimes they'll actually provide internet service for you as well. But they're basically looking for somebody to help in the processing of their healthcare claims by applying a valid provider ID to the claims on the appropriate claims platform. You'll resolve the provider database issues such as provider addresses, user warnings, demographic errors, and make corrections to those errors as needed, loading and maintaining provider records into the system so that the accurate claims processing can be done. So you're just going to be working with a lot of data, receiving data from multiple inbound sources like spreadsheets and email, and then making sure that is loaded into the system. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of data entry experience, 1 year of customer service experience, and somebody who can use those Microsoft Office systems and navigate computer systems well. Now, they do have some preferred qualifications that might get you to the top of the line, but they are not required. And pay for this position is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $31.44 an hour. Pay is going to be dependent on location and experience. Next up, we have HealthMark Group. Now, HealthMark Group only has 59 reviews on Glassdoor, so I always urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them any of your personal information. But they do have a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote quality control specialist. So they are looking for somebody to enter data into their database software, checking to ensure the accuracy of the data that has been inputted. So you're going to have to do that double check, making sure it is correct and free of errors after you've entered it. If you have any errors, you're going to resolve those discrepancies in the information. And if you're missing information, you'll further obtain that information for incomplete documents. Just completing all data entry for all requests. You're going to record any relevant notes for your specific projects into the computer system as well. Now, this one doesn't require any kind of college degree either, just somebody who can type at least 40 words per minute. You've got to have your own internet connection, somebody who is goal-oriented, great attention to detail, and great knowledge of grammar and punctuation. But this one pays $16 an hour. Now, this next one is hiring worldwide. The company is Keyword Studios. They have 1,700 reviews on Glassdoor, a fairly overall high employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a spontaneous application community manager for video games. That is a mouthful. Now, they are based out of the UK, but they're hiring worldwide. It is 100% remote work from home. So they run online communities and different social media platforms specifically relating to video games, and they're looking for somebody to review all incoming community interactions in those social media platforms, communicating directly with the game players. You'll respond to comments and player queries in a timely manner, creating engaging content for their social media, just helping build an in-depth report and community growth and engagement. You're keeping those social media platforms engaged and growing, assisting by collaborating and reporting back on the video game player feedback. So you'll be moderating discussions and comments following the set community guidelines, just flagging anything that is inappropriate to be on the platforms. Now, they're looking for somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of community management or social media, someone who has great written and verbal communication skills. If you're bilingual in English and then Japanese, French, Spanish, or German, that's a plus. Might get you to the front of the line, but not required. You do have to have a passion for video games and for social media. Now, unfortunately, this position did not list pay because that's dependent on factors like experience and location and will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, moving right along, next up we have the company Claims Management Resources. They have 20 reviews on Glassdoor, so again, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data entry specialist. Now, they are on the lower paying end. I've shared this company before, but I'm sharing again because some of you might be on like Social Security income and you cannot make over a certain amount of money, or you have different situations, or you might be in a situation where you just need to make some kind of money while you're still putting in applications looking for higher paying jobs. Whatever your situation is, I thought that I would share. So pay for this one is $12 to $13 an hour. It is fully remote, a data entry position. Now, they do offer bonuses on top of that, but they're basically looking for somebody to verify that the data is accurate and complete, analyzing any information, determining if the correct party is being billed. You'll record claims information in the data into their software applications, responding to requests for information through email, and occasionally you might have to pick up the phone and request additional information if it's missing. Now, they do pay a bonus on top of this. Their bonus structure is listed. Level 1 pays $90 extra, and this is the following bonus structure is based on the total fees generated during the month. So if you generate more fees, you might get $130, and if you hit level 3, you get $175 extra in your paycheck. They only require a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of clerical or data entry experience, and they do offer paid time off, 401k, all the things. And last but not least, this company has a little bit lower employee satisfaction rating on Glassdoor, so I saved it for last. The company is CPSI. They have 211 reviews with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 2.6 out of 5 stars, so they're right there in the middle. Some people love them, some people hate them. But they are hiring somebody to do billing and posting for their insurance claims. You'll basically be receiving those daily receipts and balance them, making sure they're stamped for deposit and verifying the receipt total. You'll do receipt research that is clearly not marked for posting. You'll post the payments into the system and make notes for the account follow-up as needed. If you have 0 payment postings from the insurance company, you'll make sure that those denials or 0 pays get posted into the system as well. Just processing all rejections, either making accounts private or correcting any billing errors and resubmitting those claims to third-party insurance companies. So you will be working with sensitive patient information. So while they don't require any kind of college degree, they are looking for somebody who is experienced in that medical field. You know CPT or ICD-10 medical terminology and coding. You're familiar with payment posting, and you have experience in claims appeals or claims filing, and they're looking for somebody who can multitask. Now, unfortunately, again, they did not list their pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I always read those and keep that in mind when I am out there searching. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.